they got into the chocolates thing. Something, it's like some sort of nutrition shake. Gidget is the mastermind here. She was the one who bit into it, but they're trying to get that. Yep, they take after their mother. She's trying to bite it. All the cats are here invading it. Sad. Yay. Cats make big messes. Oh my goodness, get out of the way. Hi, princess. It's breaking into it. Oh goodness. Gizmo stole it and brought it to a new location. Yes. Oh. I'm gonna take it away from them now because chocolate's bad for cats. Yes, it's bad for you. You took trash out of the trash can again. Why?